Exercise 6, Insert Slides and Modify Slide Layouts, part of the PowerPoint 2007 Exam Prep Guide brought to you by Shiftkey Solutions. In this exercise, we'll be looking at our slide deck and inserting slides along with modifying slide layouts of particular slides. So let's begin. We're going to come here to slide 3, and what we want to do is apply a new slide between slide 3 and slide 4. And so I want to remind myself that if I want a blank slide between slides, I'll have to select the slide above where I want it to appear. So with slide 3 being selected, I'm going to come to my Home tab, and in my Slides group, I'm going to click the New Slide drop-down. And the one we want to insert will be the title and content. So I'm going to come down and look for it. It has the name underneath it, and there it is, title and content. So I'm going to click this one time, and it takes me directly to it. I'm going to take a minute to look and see that the new slide that was inserted below the slide I was on. I was on slide 3, and now here's the new slide. So with this new slide being selected, I'm going to click in the title placeholder here and type in Business Travelers Choose Us. And then in the content placeholder down here, I'll click inside, and then I want to start typing a bullet list of items. The first one is going to be excellent locations, and when I'm done, I'll press enter, and it creates a new bullet, the same bullet level that I was previously on. And then I'm going to type outstanding accommodations, and then I'll press enter again and type frequent traveler benefits. And when I'm finished, I'll press enter again to create another bullet item, and then I'm going to type in corporate connections. Now you'll notice something here. You may have picked it up as I was typing bullet list items. I'm going to not capitalize this first word of corporate, and I'm going to show you this little trick. It's just a small effort in saving a little bit of time. So I'm just start typing corporate, and you'll notice I haven't capitalized it. However, at the end of my word, I'm going to press my space bar, and it capitalizes it for me. That's a little trick that I like to use. And then I'm going to type connections. And then from here, I want to modify the slide layout. So I'm going to click outside of my text placeholder here, and I'm going to come up to my slide group and click the layout button. And from here is a list of layouts. The layout I want to change it to is the to content layout, which is right here. So I'll click this, and it changes my layout for me. I now have 2 content placeholders below my title. Next, I want to add a content with caption slide below slide 7. So I'm going to scroll down to slide 7, and I'm going to select slide 7 because the new slide will appear below the slide I'm on. So with slide 7 selected, I'm going to come to my Slides group and click my New Slides, and then choose the content with caption, which is right here. Content with caption, I'll click this. It takes me directly to the new slide, and I'll notice that it is below slide 7. And in the title placeholder, I'm going to click inside there and type in Hawaii's Cypress Executive Hotel. And then from there, in the narrow placeholder on the left, I'm going to click inside there one time, and I'm going to type in the line of text from step 11 here on exercise 6. When I'm finished typing the text, I'm going to modify this text just a little bit. I'm going to italicize, center, and change the font size to 16 and line spacing to 1.5. So I'm going to select this text, and then I'm going to come to my font group and italicize it. I'm going to come to my paragraph group and center align it, and then back to my font group and change the font size to 16, and then come to my paragraph group and go to my line spacing and change it to 1.5. Spaces it out nicely. I'm going to click outside of this, and it's shaping up nicely. From here, I'm going to come back to my slide 1, and then I want to save my work. So I'm going to come to this bar. What's the name of this bar? Do you remember? Right next to my Office button. This bar is called my Quick Access Toolbar. So I'm going to click my Save button in my Quick Access Toolbar, and it saves it. That concludes exercise 6, insert slides and modify slide layouts. Thanks for joining me. Next will be exercise 7, insert and format pictures.